Today I will talk about books and TV shows. I prefer books more than TV shows. Books are made with paper and there are many kinds of books. It is like that only have pictures. TV shows, it is shown on the TV. TV shows have news and sports. And the TV shows have many channels. I have two reasons to support my answer. First, I think TV shows are bad for my health because if I watch TV very long time, I can have a bad eyesight and I can feel dizzy and I can have a headache. For example, when I watch soccer very late at the end, I had a headache and were very tired to sleep very early and wake up early and not be tired. So I can't concentrate on the class and the academy. Second, books are more comfortable to carry because if I want to watch TV shows outside, it is hard to watch in the outside. But in books, it is comfortable to carry outside. The book is not heavy as a TV, so I can carry one book all the time, whatever place I want. Yesterday, I wanted to watch a TV show about soccer, but I forget to watch it. But if I carry a soccer book so I can read all the time on TV if the show can't stop. I can't watch it next books. I can't check what I read comfortable and it is not heavy. In conclusion, I think books are the best paper objects I ever seen. My first reason was TV shows are better for my health. My second reason is that I can carry it comfortably. Thank you for listening.